Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to online learning at NorEduCom. How are you today? Today our subject is phonics. The topic is about sound of f. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to pronounce the sound of f correctly. Recognize some words that begin with the sound of f. Match pictures that begin with the sound of f and color the pictures that begin with the sound of f. Let's start our class. Let's say the f sound. Can you name this letter? Yes, this is letter F. What is the sound of F? The sound of F is f. F. Now, can you name this picture? Yes, that's right. This is a fish. F, fish. F, fish. Repeats after me. F, fish. Let's read. My fish. This is my fish. Let's read it again. My fish. This is my fish. Very good. Now, can you name this picture? Yes, this is a frog. 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 Let's read. My frog. This is my frog. Let's read it again. My frog. This is my frog. Well done, everybody. Can you name this picture? Yes, this is a fly. 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 Let's read. My fly. This is my fly. Let's read it again. My fly. This is my fly. Well done, everybody. Can you name this body part? Yes, that's right. This is a foot. 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 Let's read. My foot. This is my foot. Let's read it again. My foot. This is my foot. Well done, everybody. Can you name this picture? Yes, this is a fan. 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 Let's read. My fan. This is my fan. Let's read it again. My fan. This is my fan. Very good. Can you name this picture? Yes, this is a fork. 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 Let's read. My fork. This is my fork. Let's read it again. My fork. This is my fork. Well done, everybody. Can you name this picture? Yes, this is a flower. 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 The flower is red. Now let's read. My flower. This is my flower. Let's read it again. My flower. This is my flower. Well done, everybody. Now let's match pictures that begin with the sound of F. Can you name the first picture? Yes, this is a flower. Flower. It starts with a F sound. Letter F. So let's match it. Can you name this body part? Yes, this is an ear. 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 It starts with the sound of E, letter E, not letter F. So do not match it. Let's cross it out. Can you name this picture? Yes, this is a fork. Fork. It starts with the sound of F, letter F. So let's match it. Can you name this picture? Yes, this is a fan. Fan. It starts with the letter F. So let's match it. Well done, everybody. Now let's say the F sound and then color the picture that starts with the F sound. Can you name the first picture? Yes, this is an envelope. Envelope. It starts with the letter E. So do not color it. The next picture. Can you name this animal? Yes, that's right. This is a frog. Frog. It starts with the sound of F, letter F. So let's color it. Well done, everybody. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.